श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। ओम निधाय हृदिविश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः. So nitya sambandha samavaya. Next we come to nitya samavaya. Nitya sambandha samavaya. Samavaya is that which is connected eternally. Aita siddhi vrittaya. Aita siddhi vrittaya means if one exists, the other exists. If one ceases to exist, the other also ceases to exist. That is the idea. Samaya nirupayati. Sambandham vishishta pratiti niyamakattam. Sambandattam vishishta pratiti niyamakattam. Sambandattam means that which is always gained with the knowledge of with reference to other. Now here तान मात्र उक्तो संयोगादिव्याप्ति अतः नित्य इति विशेषणम्. See, if we just say sambandha, then the definition will go to sanyoga also. Therefore we have to add nityah इति विशेषणम्. ययोर्द्वयोर् मध्ये यन्निष्ठकाल निरूपित आदेयता सामान्यं यदवच्छिन्नं तद् उभयान्यतर अन्यतरत्वम् अयुतसिद्धत्वम् इति. See, this is a adeya on which you want to superimpose something or associate something. On this uddeshya, like parvata nishta adeyata nirupita, vani nishta uddeshyata, like that we saw. The same way here, whatever is adeya, ghata, in that uddeshya is ghatatva or nilatva, etc. So if one exists, the other exists. If one does not exist, the other does not exist. That is why he says yannishta kala nirupita adeta. So whatever is the same period of adeta samanyam yad avacchinnam, and whatever it is associated with tad ubhaya anyataram api ubhaya anyataratvam api ubhaya anyataratvam aita siddham. If that is common for both, it is called as aita siddha. Yad avacchinnam tad ubhayanyataram. That is what is called as aita siddha. If it is common for both, it is called as aita siddha. Anadi santha pragavaha pradhamsabhavaha atyantavavaha. Atyantavavaha is त्रैकालिक संसर्गावच्छिन्नं प्रतियोगितात्मको अत्यन्तभावः. अत्यन्तभावं निरूपयति प्रागभाव प्रतियोगित्वे सति ध्वंसभावात् प्रतियोगित्वे सति अन्योन्यभाव भिन्नत्वं भिन्नत्वे सति अभावत्वम् अत्यन्तभावत्व लक्षणम्. See, he is differentiating atyantavaha from all the other three abhavas. We have four different types of abhava: pragabhava, pradhamsabhava, atyanta anyonya bhava, and atyanta bhava. So atyanta bhava he is differentiating from all this. Pragava भिन्नत्वे सति ध्वंसभाव भिन्नत्वे सति अन्योन्य भाव भिन्नत्वे सति अभावत्वम् is atyanta bhavatvam. He is not just saying प्रागभाव भिन्नत्वे सति ध्वंसभाव भिन्नत्वे सति अन्योन्य भाव भिन्नत्वे सति अन्योन्य भाव भिन्नत्वम् अत्यंत भावत्वम्. See, understand this. Anyonya atyanta bhava is not saying that which is different from pragabhava, that is prior absence, that which is different from post absence, and that which is different from absence of one another is atyanta bhava. That is not how he says. Being different from all this, it should be abhava also. Why he says? He is adding four things. Pragabhava bhinnatve sati, dvamsabhava bhinnatve sati, अन्योन्य भाव भिन्नत्वे सति अभावत्वम्. Four visheshanas he is adding for atyanta bhava. Why? Because pragabhava to eliminate dvamsa bhava, dvamsa bhava to eliminate pragabhava, anyonya bhava to eliminate anyonya bhava itself, and akasha to eliminate akasha. Akasha is bhava. To eliminate that, he is using abhava. That is why he says dvamsa pragabhava anyonya bhava akashadinam Varanaya Yathakramam Visheshan Upadanam. This is how. Pragabhava to eliminate Dvamsa Bhava. Dvamsa Bhava to eliminate Pragabhava. Anyonya Bhava to eliminate Anyonya Bhava itself. Abhava is added to eliminate Akasha. Akasha is Bhava. Vastu, reality is this. Samsarga Bhavattam Tadatmya Bhinna Sambandhavachana Pradivitaka Bhavattam. Samsarga Bhavattam is this. What is Samsarga Bhavattam? Samsarga Bhavattam is Tadatmya Bhinna Sambandhavachana Pradivitaka Bhavattam. That Abhava which is different from Tadatmya Bhinna, which is associated with itself. That kind of Tadatmya Bhinna Sambandha Avachina Pradivitakatam is what is Samsarga Bhavattam. Dvamsa Pragabhavayoscha na Samsargavachina Pradivitakatam iti teneva tadvarine. Trailukaliketi Swarupakhyanam eva iti bodhyam. Traikalika is Swarupakhyana, is just to say it's a Swarupa. So, Dvamsa Pragabhavayoscha na Samsargavachina Pradivitakatam iti. So, Dvamsa and Pragabhava is not Samsargavachina Pradivitaka. So, to that itself it is negated. You don't need to add Traikalika to remove Dvamsa and Pragabhava. So, this is how it is seen here. Tadatmya Sambandhavachina Pradivitaka Anyonya Bhavaha. Anyonya Bhavatam Rupeti Tabhava Trayavarnaya Visheshanam. Tadatmya should be said to eliminate the other three abhavas. Tadatmya Sambandha should be said to eliminate Tadatmya Sambandha Avachina. To eliminate the other three abhavas. Tadatmya is to say Anyonya Bhava, Atyanta Bhava and Anyonya Bhava, Pragabhava and Pradvamsa Bhava. And Atyanta, to remove Atyanta Bhava, we have to say Tadatmya Sambandha Avachina Pradivitakatam. Ghatabhavan naiti pratiti vishye ghatadi varnaya vishesham. See, avachina prativitaka, sambandha avachina prativitaka you have to say because tadatmya sambandha ghatabhavan na. Ghata is a ghatabhavan na. To remove this is tadatmya. Ghata is tadatmya sambandha. So, to remove oneself from oneself, we have to say Visheshya. Sambandha avachina pratitaka. That the pratiyagi for which Tadatmya Sambandha is there. Iti. Then, Visheshyam. Sarvesham api yadarthanam yatha yatham ukteshu antarbhava sattayodhartha iti siddham. So, everything, whatever we said, it can be brought in whatever is seen in the Nyaya and the Vaisheshika school of thought, they can be condensed in this 7 padarthas. You don't need extra. Nanu sadrishyadinam atirikta padarthanam anirupanena nyunata ityatah. See, you are not discussed sadrishya, which is discussed there in the Vaisheshika. Similarity, sadrishyam means similarity. Therefore, this is not complete yet. You are trying to complete the text. If you say no, because we can bring in all that in these 7 itself. What are those accepted by Nyaya Sutras? He is just saying Nyaya. Pramana, Prameya, Samshep, Prayojana, Drishtanta, Siddhanta, Avayava, Tarka, Nirnaya, Bada, Jalpa, Vitanda, Hetva, Bhasa, Chala, Jati, Nigraha, Sthananam, Tattva, Jnanat, Nishreyasadikamaha. Once you gain the knowledge of these, you will gain the ultimate bliss, etc. This is what he says in the first sutra. I think Nyayasya Adimam Sutram. Uttana, Adima Sutre Uttanam, Pramana Prameya Adinam Ityartha. This Pramana Prameya, etc. can be brought in these itself. But Sadrishya, he said, we'll answer that. Tad Bhinnatva Vishishta, Tad Gata Bhuyo Dharmatva Rupa, Sadrishyasyapi, Gatavadadi Rupatvena, Na Atiriktatvam. Sadrishya means similarity. Tad binnatva vishishta. It should be different from it itself. Being different from itself, it should have to have a majority of its quality. Bhuya dharmatvam. That is what is similarity. So that it exists in Ghatapada etc. also. Therefore, there is no trouble. Evam anyesham api uhyam. Evam it should be, not emam. Evam Anyeshamapi uhyam. In the same way, you should have to understand the other things also. Vistaram anyatra anusandeha. In detail, you have to see in other places like Deepikakara. The Mulakara himself, he explains it in different way. All these should be brought in the Padartha, all these should be brought in the Dravya, all should be brought in the Guna, all these should be brought in under Karma, etc. He will discuss these things in different, in detail. Kada kanadanyayamatayor balavidpatti sittaye annam bhattene udisha rajitastarka sangraha. Kanada nyayamatayor. To understand the Vaisheshika Nyaya Siddhanta, whatever said in the Siddhantas, for the bala, for the kid, for the person who has not studied the Nyaya Shastra, for him to understand, Annam Bhattene Udisha, by the Vidwan Annam Bhatta is written this text, Tarka Sangraha. Kanaditi. The Shri Mahamahopadhyaya Annam Bhatta Virajita Tarka Sangraha Samaptaha. Kanaditi. Kanada means Kanadasya idam Kanadam. That which is done, written by Kanada. Kanada Nyaya Mata iti Dwanda Garbha Karmadharya. Dwanda Garbhita Karmadharya Samasa is what is used here. Okay. Meaning Kanada Prokta, Gautama Prokta, Matayor iti yavat. Meaning is that which is said by Kanada and that which is said by Gautama. Both of them are brought in here, condensed here. This is how you have to do Anvaya in the, according to the logic. See, normally when we say Bala Vitpatti Siddhaye. Kim Bala Vitpatti Siddhaye? Kanada Nyaya Matayoho. The philosophy of Kanada Nyaya. Okay, what did you do? Rachitaha. Who wrote? What was done? Rachitaha. What was written? Tarka Sangraha. By whom? Annam Bhattene Vidusha. Like this, we ask a question and do Anvaya, etc. We have seen this. Danda Anvaya, Khanda Anvaya, etc. Now here, this is how in logic you have to explain this. Kanada Nyaya Abhinna Mata. Kanada Nyaya Abhinna Mata. Mata Dvaya. Mata Dvaya Vishayaka. Whatever is the object of discussion in Kanada and Nyaya combined. And Vishayaka. Bala Samaveta Abhinna Vitpatti Siddhaye. And Bala, who should have to have the intelligence to understand things. For him to understand, Vitpatti Siddhaye Prayojikam. Whatever is useful. What is useful? That Annam Bhatta Vidwan Nishtha. In Annam Bhatta, who is a Vidwan, in him is established what? This kind of Kriti. Kali Bhuta Kalina Kriti Vishaya. Past Rachitaha is written. So Bhuta Kalina Vrichi Kriti. Tad Vishaya Abhinna Tarkaha Tarka Sangrahakya Grantha. That which is the object of that text is Tarka Sangraha. That kind of name text which is named called Tarka Sangraha is written. Iti Anvaya Bodha. This is how you have to do Anvaya in the logic. Okay. Krishna Vrambino Gaha Pusho Govardhanas Tamabhyarchan Vipula Bhirasavajana Janita Budendra Buddha Indra Budendra Tavabi Rachanabihi. Krishna Avalambino Gaha Pushaha. So Krishna Avalambino Gaha Pushaha. Pusha means like the Savitu Devata also is called as Pusha, but here we will take a Puim Pavane Dhatu. Purified. Purified. What is purified? Ga. The cows are purified. Cows are purified. Which cows? Krishna Vilambino Gaha. The cows which are associated with Krishna. Cow means here we can understand our mind also. Govardhanaha. For whom? For which cow we are talking about? Govardhanaha. Govardhana. This person called Govardhana. How did he purify himself? Tam Abhyarchan. By worshipping him. Worshipping him with what? Vipulabihi Asavajana Vipulabir Rasa Bhajana Janita. That which is with mixture of beautiful essence of beautiful things, which was written by Buddha, by great people. With that, Indra Tava Abhirachanabhi. By singing those praises, my buddhi is purified. So, that kind of Govardhana, I am writing this text. See, iti Sri Govardhana Virachita Tarka Sangrahasya Nyaya Bodhini Vyakya Samapta. In this way, we come to the end of Nyaya Bodhini. Okay. Om Purnamadaः Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.